Hi, welcome. In this video, we will be finding on how easy it is to replace your iPhone 5, 5S and SE battery and display. Anyone can do it with just a few tools. And if you are new here, consider subscribing and liking this video. Let's get started. All you need in order to perform this surgery, you need some screwdriver which include iPhone pentlobe, Phillips 00. Also you need pry tool and suction cups and some adhesive. So for me I chose super glue because that is what I had in my hand. And also not forgetting, you need a new battery and the replacement screen. Bottom screws with the iPhone pentlobe. Screwdriver. Start, then proceed by prying the screen using the suction cup till you get enough space to insert the ice pick or the pry tool. Slowly inserting the ice pick and prying around the screen, but also don't sink it too deep as it's likely to damage some cables on the top right corner and other components on its path. Gently using the pry tool, lift the 3 cables, thus freeing the screen, but don't throw it yet, because we need to salvage some components like the home button and the camera and other sensors from the screen, the broken screen. I did not find the pull tabs on this battery, thus I'm using my pry tool and gently lifting the battery off the frame, but also be careful not to puncture the battery. Now back to the screen. I salvaged the top sensors and the speakers and also the back screen structural frame thing, carefully transferring them at the new screen, and also be careful not to lose the small screws as they are likely to jump off. Also the screen is very fragile, so be careful when handling the screen because it's likely to break when you press into the screen. Now that all the missing components are transferred to the new display, it's time to get back to the battery. Remember we said that to be gentle with the battery, depressing the battery in the same position where we got the old battery, carefully snapping the connectors into the motherboard. Now before we close up everything, it's time to test the phone and make sure it's posting. Carefully clicking the respective display connectors into the place, and on the top right corner the connectors are of different lengths and fit very easy, so it's easy to find their right places. Well, our patients seem to show signs of life. Now that we are sure there are signs of life, it's time to put everything tightly into place. Using my super glue, but sparingly, I'll put 2 small dots on the bottom of the case to hold the battery at least for a minute, thus firmly placing the battery into the phone's frame. Now reattaching the connector cables once again, if detached, and carefully flipping the screen and starting with the top of the screen, then gently applying pressure on the edges of the screen till you feel the screen click into place. Once all this is done, tighten the bottom screw to safely mount the screen on the wall frame. Our patient is very much alive. Thank you for staying with me through the repair. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure to subscribe and click bell notification to be notified every time a new video is posted. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.